Your credit score is a quick snapshot of your financial reliability. Potential lenders use your score to determine whether they should lend you money, how much to loan, and at what interest rate. This number, also referred to as your FICO score, falls between 300 and 850 and is based on how well you've used credit in the past. A score above 740 is considered very good, but the average is closer to 700. The higher the number, the better your chances at borrowing money at a lower rate. What makes you creditworthy? Your credit performance is mainly judged by your payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history. Payment history is the most important factor in determining creditworthiness, as it shows how well an individual has managed their debts in the past. Credit utilization measures how much of an individual's available credit they are using. Finally, length of credit history shows how long an individual has been borrowing and repaying debts. Building credit is important no matter what stage of life you're in. It's never too early to start building credit, and if you've had some bumps along the way, it's never too late to get on top of your score.